Click on Search at bottom on taskbar, type GP Edit. Click on Edit Group Policy. Under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Templates. Expand System. Click on Removable Storage Access. In order to disable USB removable device, double-click on Removable Disk, deny read access. Check on Enable, then apply and OK. Subscribe to watch more tech videos.